Love an expert here on Channel Television, and Robin is certainly one of them, wasn't he?
Absolutely, Robin. You can tell there. He's such a lovely man,
Yeah.
but so knowledgeable. He's written hundreds of papers, given hundreds more talks. And what I think is so lovely is it's been a lifelong passion of his.
Yeah.
And actually, when he was a boy, he asked to join the Royal Greenwich Observatory, and he was allowed to do that. So it's not just a new fad. He's been keen since the get-go, which is so nice to see. And if you at home are feeling inspired and want to do a little bit of stargazing yourself, well, I can tell you there may well be some 15 meteors an hour. And a reminder that you may get some lovely shots. You can just about make...
And looking at conditions a bit closer to home, there was actually some snow in the UK today. What's the weather looking like for us over the next few days?
Well, for us, it's been not quite as cold, but still really on the chilly side, and it's all to do with that northerly wind we've spoken to. You can see tracing the Arctic, the isobars even, we've had a bit of an Arctic plume coming towards us. But as we move through the week, see the isobars are actually coming from a more westerly direction. So that means as we head into the weekend and next week, we will have some slightly milder temperatures in all likelihood. But notice the track of this is over the sea. So what that means is we could have a bit more in the way of wet weather and also some windy weather in store too. But that's still a few days away. So let's get the details for the next few days. Here's the forecast. Well, it has been rainbow weather today with sunshine and showers, blustery conditions as well. I think Freddie summed it up nicely here with that stormy scene. But the sun has come out at times too. And as we head into tomorrow, we have got more sunshine, perhaps even a little bit more than what we saw today. Still, though, some of those showers around, and they could even be a bit on the wintry side, perhaps some hail, maybe even some sleet. It is going to be feeling cold tomorrow, in fact, even colder than today. And it's those brisk winds that are taking the edge of the temperatures further. Gusts tonight, possibly of around 40 miles an hour, coming from that northerly direction. And tonight we have got clear skies, but a few showers in the mix. Feeling quite cold tonight. Minimums there of just 3 to 4 degrees. So what that means is there is the risk of a ground frost too. So we head into tomorrow, there should be some sunshine around in between those showers, but be prepared because when those showers come through, they could well contain some hail, maybe even some sleet, perhaps a bit drier into the afternoon, and still a fairly fresh breeze from the north. That is going to be pulling in cooler air, so not feeling very warm. Maximum temperatures there in the single figures. Let's get a check on those times of high water between 6 and 7 a.m, later on between 6:30 and 7 p.m. So taking a look at the wider picture, it's this northerly flow of air that's bringing an Arctic maritime air mass over us, giving us those cooler conditions. As we head into the weekend, though, we could see something slightly milder, and you can see that reflecting in those temperatures. Still staying unsettled, still breezy, but those temperatures just slightly climbing up.